There's a reason that certain songs live on, have a lot of energy and have a lot of people learning them and singing them and sharing them. There's this sense of contributing to the language, contributing to each song. It's this sense of every song that you learn. There's depth to it. It's rooted maybe in a certain part of Ireland, so geographically there are themes of like love and societal norms and history. And when you start just tapping into that context around a song, you see the richness of the song, what it represents. So when you learn an Irish language song, you're taught to ag canadh as Gaeilge, ag rá amhrán as Gaeilge, then you're contributing to the song. You're contributing to that energy. You're contributing to the community. And it doesn't really matter to me where you are in the world. You're contributing that energy to the vibrant community of Gaeilge.